GCS is expanding our lineup of screen-based grain cleaners and scalpers with a new line of GCS screen cleaners. Durability, accuracy, low initial cost, and low energy consumption are just a few reasons to consider a GCS screen cleaner for your operation. With a number of different screens included, producers can clean up to 8 different crops with just one machine. It's simple to set up and use, and cleaning whitecaps, rocks, pods, straw, and weed seeds from your grain is a breeze with the GCS screen cleaner. Its screens are self-cleaning, and the machine requires very little operator intervention once it's set up. The cleaner can also be combined with a cyclone or an existing air cleaning system to control dust output and make it adaptable to an indoor or outdoor cleaning environment, giving producers even more options in terms of the desired final output. GCS has models ranging from 500 bushels an hour to 1,000 bushels an hour. Reach out to us for a free consultation to see how adding a GCS screen cleaner to your operation may help you. GCS, your grain cleaning solution. We look forward to serving you.